Welcome back into the channel. In this video, we are looking at a very hot and exciting new meme coin, which could be absolutely huge in the crypto space right now. Now, of course, as you know, altcoins have absolutely gone parabolic in terms of their search volume. Google Trends reflects that altcoins, memes have been surging recently in terms of their overall retail interest. Now, there is a coin that I want to talk about in this video, which I do hold some of already, waiting for hopefully what could be a massive launch for this token as we enter September now. So what we're doing is we're looking at a new coin, and you might already know what the BRET token is and seen how successful this coin was, reaching a whopping $2+ billion market cap. Well, the coin I want to show you guys is actually like something that is playing on the same theme, just like when you have a PEPE alternative. This is called LayerBrett right here. So if you like the Brett ecosystem, if you like alts, meme coins, and these tokens that can deliver high risk or high reward play, and sometimes even make over 10x, this could be one that you really do like. Now, I did some research of the token on Cointelegraph. It says LayerBrett unveils Ethereum Layer 2 as presale surpasses an incredible $1.8 million. PEPE's brother gains its own chain. So here we can see LayerBrett, the new ETH Layer 2, which combines meme culture with blockchain scalability, has confirmed its pre-sale past 1.8 million, marking an early milestone for the project. The token is currently priced at 0.05 during the pre-sale, with the purchase available via Ethereum, USDT, or BNB via MetaMask or other EVM wallets. So some really cool things here. They've got pre-sale and staking access. So effectively you're getting in early to the coin. And what this does is it gets you into the coin before it goes live on exchanges, getting in at a speculated earlier price. So some benefits here of the LayerBrett ecosystem. So we will go through the website very quickly. But first of all, you got Layer 2 scalability on Ethereum. You got gamified staking incentives, cross-chain interoperability, and also a very nice defined tokenomics with a supply of 10 billion right here. So this is super cool. Being a Brett coin could be something very strong. Now, looking at the overall price, it looks like it's sitting at $0.0053. So definitely space for upside here, and definitely something that, you know, could go higher and remove the zero. It says next price is 0.0055, and they've raised an incredible $2.178 million right here. So you can change with how you want to pay with Ethereum or Tether, and they do also have a 1.19k or 1,190% in staking rewards for people that want to compound those gains over a longer term period. So you got the buy LBRET button here, and when you do it, it's going to prompt these different Web3 payment solutions. You can use Phantom, MetaMask, or some different tokens of your choice. So just looking through, it says LayerBrett is unleashing the future of blockchain. Got a nice little Bullish degen animation here of the Brett guy riding a rocket. So they're featured across a lot of flagship articles. You can see you've got Finbold, MSN, Crypto Economy, and it says, welcome to LayerBrett, where innovation meets personality. LayerBrett is no longer just another name in the crypto world. He's a symbol of transformation, breaking free from the ordinary and stepping into a new era of blockchain technology. So this is definitely a big character here, a big community token, right? It's built on Ethereum. It's got seamless interoperability. You've also got stake and reward on the side, which are really cool. Scalable and secure because it's designed to handle that mass adoption as well. And of course, have great TPS, really run efficiently at the same time, and just generally be a decent meme coin. You can see everywhere you look, it's just, you've got R2D2 over here. That's R2D2, right? I'm sure I'm not going crazy. You got the robots. You got some cool references from Star Wars. Jabba the Hutt over here. How could I miss that one as well? So it's easy to buy. You connect your wallet, enter the amount you wish for, buy, and then buy or stake if you wanted to do that. So tokenomics, let's check these out very quickly. We know we have a 10 billion max supply for this ERC20 coin. It started at 0.004. The price does keep going up as the time goes on, or as they raise more. So we can see 30% goes to pre-sale. Staking rewards gets 25, ecosystem gets 15, team gets 2.5, charity or impact gets 1%, community gets 3.5%, then you've got exchange at 10%, foundation and reserve at 5%, and then you've got the marketing getting 8% as well. So they're definitely pushing hard, and they've got a lot of good allocation of their supply over here. Pre-sale bonuses. It says get in early with pre-sale pricing, offering the lowest cost for LayerBrett. Secure your position before prices surge, and LayerBrett launches on major exchanges. So it could launch in some very, very big places, which of course is, a great thing. If it went on a tier 1 exchange, then we're going to see some great brand awareness and liquidity drive for the project, and hopefully it will, boost the price, right? Now, of course, guys, remember, this is not financial advice. It doesn't mean that the token will, of course, deliver those huge gains, but it's always worth speculating and looking at a coin when the team is working hard to push the coin. So right now, phase 1, community uprising. Phase 2 is the genesis, where they'll launch all their socials and website. And then I think we're in phase 4 right now. And then phase 5 is where it's going to finish off. And hopefully, great things will end up happening. So check out their calculator here, where you can basically put in the amount of LayerBrett you're getting, the price, the USD value, and it will show you what potential gains you could be making. Here is a staking dashboard. Overall, they've got their very easy to follow dashboard here, which will tell you how much you've staked, what your stakeable balance is, the total staked in the protocol right now. And you can see they do have 1,190% rewards at the time of making this particular video. Always worth checking out the Twitter, guys, so we can see they've just blasted through 5,500 holders here. The LayerBrett ecosystem continues to grow as they get more adoption for their ecosystem. You can see they've got 4,000 followers on the X platform right now. It says LayerBrett, the ultimate layer 2 meme coin on Ethereum, where speed meets memes and utility explodes. So for sure, guys, look down below for this project. Do a bit of research and due diligence on the coin. It's always worth doing that research and actually finding out about the project for yourself. But you can see they're seriously getting a lot of anticipation, hype here, with a lot of likes, retweets, and it says the blasted past that 2 million raised. Very, very cool, guys. If you've got any questions, ask down below in my Discord server. It's free to join. And let me know down in the comments what you think of the LayerBrett ecosystem. Of course, never risk more than you can afford to lose ever. This is not financial advice. Thanks for watching. And pretty solid article here from the Cointelegraph website, which is where I pretty much found this project. Thought I'd cover it. And yeah, you can see the LayerBrett.com is the website right there. So LayerBrett.com. And in general, could be a really, really good one. Thanks for viewing. Subscribe, like, comment. We'll see you soon.